Okay, now let's say you have an idea for a brand new page that I don't actually have on here for you already. To make a brand new page, let's say, for example, I'm going to run a drum line and I call it World Drumming. And maybe I want a page for my students. Up here is a plus page which says New Page. I click on New Page and it's going to ask me what I want to name this page. So I'm just going to call it World Drumming. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is say create on the red button. So it's going to create my page. And I see here that I can go ahead and type in welcome to World Drumming class. And you could type in a whole bunch of other details, put in pictures from your drumming students. You could also link some YouTube videos about world drumming. Maybe you have your students on a YouTube channel. You can insert that too. To put anything on this page, I know that I would have to go up to insert, so I could put images of my students. Maybe I took pictures of the camera. I could link it to a really cool world drumming website. I also could put videos if I've loaded some onto YouTube or if I found some cool YouTube videos of world drumming. I see also if you have used Picasa before, you can actually make a photo slideshow. So maybe you've taken 80 pictures of your students. You could make a slideshow and put the picture slideshow on this page too. Or maybe you wanted to put a calendar. Maybe your kids have a student practice calendar for this drumming class. So all of those things can be inserted right onto this page. I'm going to go ahead and just save this page. So remember, to build it, we just did the plus page sign. We made it, and now the world drumming page exists. But the problem is, I notice it does not exist over in this page of links over here. So if I want to add the drumming to be a clickable page for my students, I still have to go down here now to edit sidebar. So we built it, now we're going to link it. So remember, it's not in the first chunk, it's in the second chunk. I hit edit. And now I need to add the world drumming page that I just built. So I'm going to start scrolling down. And if I go down just a little bit more, I see world drumming. Okay. Now, if you don't want drumming at the bottom, remember, it's highlighted blue, so I can use my up arrow. And let's say I want to put drumming right above recorders because that's more important to my curriculum. I get it where I want it and say, okay. Now, if I save it, it says our changes have been saved, so I can jump back to the front of my music class. And hey, there we go. It looks like I have world drumming right above my recorders. So now if I click on world drumming, it's actually going to take me to the world drumming page, and I can go ahead and edit it and jazz it up and make it very cool looking for my students.